This is the most frustrating thing about this squad. This team is fucking unpredictable. How do you go from controlling the match, right, in possession, in attempts, and then you concede at the very last minute? This team is just inconsistent. The players aren't Ruben Amorim players. This is players he inherited. He's trying to make it work with the players that he has at his disposal. I get that. I get that 100%. But how do you, from a player's perspective, how do you win a match? And then you win the second match. And then you win the third match. Right? You must have some kind of momentum within, the dressing room. There must be a buzz, a vibe. You must be able to develop a mentality of, I'm going to win the next game. We're going to win, as a collective. But then you go and draw, or you go lose a game. I just don't understand the mindset of these players. And I feel personally like Ruben is shooting himself in the foot. He is shooting himself in the foot by trying to trust his players. You can't trust his players. You can't. Unfortunately, you cannot. I mean, they've proved it over and over and over. They cannot be trusted. So yeah, I'm the kind of fan. I'm going to call my team out. We, Man United, we are cuck. We are building now. We are in transition. Whether you agree with it or you don't agree with it, that's your baby, that's your baby, if you don't agree with it. But me, I know we are cut. I know what we are building. I know the steps we're taking. There's a little bit of progress being made in terms of team performance compared to last season. A little bit. There's not a major, we may be ahead by a mile. No. Fuck no. We are taking baby steps towards where we want to be. But we definitely need reinforcements in January. Those wingback positions need to be sorted out, and the midfield. We cannot rely on Bruno and Casemiro. We're going to have a cuck season if we're going to continue with this crop of players. Man, this team will give you a roller coaster effect. Which means you win 2-3 games on the bounce and you're going to draw or lose. Then it's like it's like a build up, build, and you tripping and you vibing, and then like boom on your face, flat. This is the vibe this team gives you. So where do we go from here? We need players. We definitely need players, and I'm a little bit satisfied, right? I'm happy that we didn't lose. But I'm also satisfied that we're just above Liverpool. Because those Liverpool supporters talk a lot of cock. You drew against Sunderland, we beat Sunderland 2-0. And I must apologize, in my previous video, I said we beat them 3-0. And I said we're going to go to fourth place. But I think that was just my excitement speaking. But overall, we need work. Something definitely we need to speak about. Manuel Ugarte, in my honest opinion, I would have liked for him to have played in a Solskjaer system, but this guy he's not cuck. The players we have is not cuck. They're not cuck players. The only reason why we're expressing them in this manner of saying, yeah, they shit players, they're not quality. The only reason why is because they're not performing to the expectations we have, right? To the standards of Man United. But if you take them out and put them in other teams, in other systems, they're going to work and they're going to be quality again. They proof. There's McTominay, there's Marcus Rashford, there's Anthony. There's so many players out there that's proof. That's the evidence. So, yeah, like he just doesn't fit here. He needs to move on. And if we could use him in a deal that is like a swap deal, maybe a cash difference or just a plain swap deal, we need to look into this. This is a moose problem that we are sitting with. We're sitting with players that we don't really want here. I like Xerxes, but I think Xerxes, apart from the system, apart from the formation, Xerxes is also a player that is not built for the Premier League. The Premier League is fast, it's quick. Xerxes is just not built for this league. And again, like I say, we need reinforcements. I mean, you need another Ahmad on the left wing back position. You need another player like Ahmad on the left wing back position. Dalot's not doing it for me. Dalot's currently the better option we have over Dogo, because Dogo is, I don't know how to express it, but Dogo is just not playing the way I would like for him to play, or he's not giving that. He's not giving that fire, that fight. His decision making is poor. You can tell by this old body language, man. It's just like, fuck, it's like watching Marcus Rashford again. Oh, fuck. Like I said, we need reinforcements in midfield. We cannot rely on these two players. If we have offers coming in this January, I would definitely, would like Man United to consider, selling. But we really need to make a plan. Otherwise, we're going to have a cuck season like Liverpool. So yeah, people, that's a wrap. Smash the follow button, the like button, and drop your opinions on your match reaction, views, what you have in mind. Drop your opinions in the comment section. I like to respond and listen to what you guys think and your thoughts are. Maybe there's something we can talk about. And if there is a topic, if there is something that you want me to address in maybe another video, or I can make a video about that, drop that in the comment section. Let me know. And help this video go viral by smashing that repost button so it can reach more Man United fans and football fans, generally speaking. But let me know in the comment section, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out.